Ding dong, who's at the door? A little puppy saying woof for more. Ding dong, who could it be? A cheeky monkey swinging from a tree. Ding dong, stomp, stomp, stomp. An elephant trumpets loud and strong. Ding dong, what's that sound? A parrot is squawking all around. Ding dong, tiptoe. A sneaky kitty with a silent meow. Ding dong, roar, oh my. A lion is here, oh what a surprise. Ding dong, hop, hop, hop. A little green frog with a big belly flop. Ding dong, who comes next? Open the door and take a guess.